Now let me show you the final application that we will be building. I have the architecture here. You can see we have quite a few projects here. Let me run all of the projects that we require. After all of our microservices are running, the final main MVC application will be triggered. So it waits for the other microservices to get up and running. Once it gets started, you can see we have a list of products that are being displayed here. And if a user clicks on the details, it is redirected to the login page. If you do not have an account, it will ask you to register as a new user. We have included roles in our application. So of course, in a production application, you will not give them this option, but I wanted to show you how with Identity Server, we can configure the roles and add more properties. That is why I have included these fields right here. So let me register for an admin user, and let's hit the register button. Now, if a user is logged in with the admin user, then they will be able to edit all of the products right here. So we have an admin panel where they will be able to either create, edit, or delete any of the existing product. If this was not the role of admin, they will not be able to perform all the CRUD operation. So based on role, we have implemented certain functionalities. Let's get back to the home page. Let's go to our details, and we can add items to our shopping cart. Here we also have validation that count must be between 1 and 100. So once we add few items to the shopping cart, we can navigate to our shopping cart, and here we can apply coupon code. I know we have an active coupon with the name of 10 off, so I will apply that. Once we apply that, you can see the discount is applied here. If you hit the checkout button, it displays the final page where you have to provide the details. And here we will provide all of the details that are required. The first name I'm using .NET Mastery, and email is .NETmastery@gmail.com. With that, let's place the order and see what happens. We see a confirmation page which displays that your order and payment will be processed soon. That is all that happens in the front end. But in the back end, there is a lot more things that are going on. What will happen is as soon as you place the order, using asynchronous communication, we will be creating an order inside the order API. Once an order API has been created, it will automatically process the payment. Once that payment is done, our order status is updated, and then it will automatically trigger the email API to send out the email. So there is a lot of things that are going on after the order has been placed. Now I do not want to go into all of the details to spoil the surprise that we have down the road. But this is a brief overview of the application that we will build with microservices and Identity Server for authentication.